All right, I'm going to work on questions 2 and 3. This is the second page of the packet. I'm going to start by drawing the first, labeling the front, top, and side views again. This time we're going to do the front view. There's, oh my Lord. This is the side view, the top view, and then this one is the ISO. I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to trace down these lines, every line from the top view, using very light construction lines. I actually drew them a little darker than I should, but that's because I wanted to make sure that you guys can see them properly. Then I'm going to bring this over from the side view. I'm going to go over to the front view. Again, drawing them pretty light. Then all the way at the top. All right. Once that clears up, here we go. Now we're going to start to draw this front view. The front view is looking like this on the object. All right, so to draw this front view, I'm first going to start by drawing this little part here on the front view. Okay, so it comes over, actually it's all the way, this is going to darken in this object line, but as I do this part, I'm going to go all the way from here down, and then this line I should have traced a little bit further up, goes all the way to there. So now I'm going to go from here to here. I'm going to darken in that line. Then I'm going to darken in this line. Now I can erase these construction lines that are a little too dark. All right, so the next part is drawing this little triangle or trapezoid here. So I'm going to darken in this line from here to here. And then I'm going to connect to this line right here. Any construction lines that you drew dark, make sure you erase it. For this particular assignment, there isn't any hidden lines. They're all solid. They're all object lines. So you're done with this assignment. All right, I'm going to continue on to number 3 right down below. This one's missing the side view. This is the top. Over here is the ISO. So it gets a little bit more tricky on this one. I'm going to start by tracing the lines from the front view and over to the side view, again using light construction lines. This little point I'm going to bring over. This little point here I'm going to bring over, and then all the way at the top. Okay, normally you can't, you should be able to, project the top view onto the side view, but because that isometric is kind of in the way, we're just going to estimate it, as well as it's a sketch, so it's not the biggest deal in the world. So we know that this side view is going to look like one big rectangle to start with. So I'm just going to draw a rectangle in dark object lines. Okay, and then these two lines that are coming from these points, you can't see them, but it's the value that's cut out of the part, and they are hidden lines. So I'm going to make dashed lines to represent that cut.